Most buyers focus on horsepower, but that's the biggest mistake you can make. Let's count down the 7 best subcompact tractors of 2026 and see which one comes out on top. At number 7, Massey Ferguson GC1725M. The GC1725M continues to be a dependable choice for homeowners looking for a versatile machine that feels approachable from the first time behind the wheel. One of its biggest advantages is how naturally it transitions between different jobs. Switching from mowing to loader work requires very little adjustment, making it an excellent option for owners who regularly change attachments throughout the year. Power comes from a 24.5 horsepower Iseki diesel engine, producing nearly 20 PTO horsepower, giving it plenty of capability for finish mowers, tillers, and snowblowers. The standard mid-PTO expands attachment options considerably, while the hydrostatic transmission keeps operation simple for beginners and experienced operators alike. During our evaluation, steering felt responsive, visibility around the loader was excellent, and overall comfort remained impressive even after several hours of operation. Hydraulic performance is adequate for most residential tasks, although it doesn't feel quite as quick as several tractors ranked higher. Its smooth operation, dependable engine, and excellent attachment compatibility make it an easy recommendation, but slightly lower hydraulic output and the 2-range transmission prevent it from climbing further up our list. At number 6, John Deere 2025R. John Deere has built one of the most recognizable tractors in this segment, and the 2025R continues earning that reputation through refinement rather than brute strength. Nearly every control feels thoughtfully positioned, and the overall driving experience is among the most polished available today. Its Yanmar diesel engine delivers just under 24 horsepower, while Deere's hydrostatic transmission and twin-touch pedals make directional changes quick and effortless during loader work. This is especially noticeable when moving gravel, mulch, or firewood around a property. Operator comfort remains one of its strongest selling points. The suspension seat, ergonomic control layout, and excellent visibility reduce fatigue during long workdays, making it particularly appealing for first-time tractor buyers. The extensive dealer network also adds tremendous value by making service and parts easier to obtain almost anywhere. Although its loader performance is consistent and reliable, maximum lifting capability trails some competitors, and the 2-range transmission doesn't provide quite as much flexibility when working across varying terrain. At number 5, Bad Boy 1025H. Bad Boy may be better known for zero-turn mowers, but the 1025H proves the company is serious about compact tractors. Instead of focusing on flashy features, this machine emphasizes practical performance and solid construction. Powered by a 24.6 horsepower Coupe J diesel engine, it offers strong low-end torque that feels particularly useful during loader work and ground-engaging tasks. Hydraulic response is quick, controls are straightforward, and loader cycle times impressed us throughout testing. The chassis feels sturdy without becoming unnecessarily heavy, allowing the tractor to remain maneuverable around buildings, landscaping, and tighter spaces. Another major selling point is its lengthy warranty, providing extra confidence for buyers planning long-term ownership. Its biggest drawback isn't performance, but availability. Dealer coverage still isn't as widespread as established brands, so service convenience depends largely on your location. Even so, if you have local support nearby, the 1025H offers impressive value for the money. At number 4, Mahindra eMAX 25L HST Cab. For owners who refuse to let weather interrupt productivity, the eMAX 25L HST Cab deserves serious attention. A factory cab transforms winter snow removal, rainy day chores, and dusty summer projects into far more comfortable experiences. Mahindra's heavier construction gives the tractor a planted, confidence-inspiring feel when carrying heavier bucket loads or towing implements across uneven ground. Its diesel engine produces 24 horsepower, while the 3-point hitch delivers excellent lifting capability for implements commonly used around small farms and larger rural properties. Inside the cab, visibility remains surprisingly good, and available heating and air conditioning make this tractor one of the few genuine year-round machines in its class. The trade-off comes in PTO output and travel speed, both of which are somewhat lower than the segment leaders. Still, for buyers prioritizing comfort and durability over outright speed, this remains an excellent package. At number 3, TYM T254. TYM has steadily earned a stronger reputation in North America, and the T254 demonstrates exactly why. Built with engineering experience gained from the Branson lineup, it combines rugged construction with modern usability. Its Yanmar diesel engine provides dependable performance, while loader capability and 3-point hitch strength exceed expectations for a tractor of this size. One aspect we particularly appreciated was stability. Even with heavier loads in the bucket, the tractor maintained predictable handling and inspired confidence during repeated loader cycles. The controls are uncomplicated, maintenance points are easy to access, and overall build quality feels comparable to much more expensive competitors. Hydraulic output falls just short of the leaders in this comparison, but overall performance remains balanced enough to satisfy most property owners. If reliability and lifting capability rank high on your priority list, the T254 deserves a close look. At number 2, Yanmar SA325. Yanmar has decades of engine building experience, and the SA325 benefits from that heritage throughout its design. Everything about this tractor feels engineered for longevity, from the drivetrain to the hydraulic system. Its nearly 24 horsepower diesel engine delivers smooth, consistent power, while the hydraulic system provides excellent responsiveness for front loader applications and rear implements alike. The loader lifts confidently, steering remains light even under load, and overall operation feels remarkably refined. Another major advantage is the outstanding factory warranty, giving buyers added peace of mind that few competitors can match. Combined with dependable reliability and strong dealer support, the SA325 becomes one of the safest long-term investments in this category. Its only notable limitation is the continued use of a 2-range hydrostatic transmission, which can't quite match the versatility offered by our top-ranked machine. At number 1, Kubota B2601. Taking our top position for 2026 is the Kubota B2601. Although technically classified as a compact tractor rather than a true subcompact, it competes directly with premium subcompact models while offering noticeably greater versatility. The feature that immediately separates it from much of the competition is the 3-range hydrostatic transmission. Whether creeping through loader work, mowing open fields, or transporting materials across longer distances, having 3 operating ranges makes the tractor easier to match to each task. Its 24.3 horsepower Kubota diesel engine delivers strong PTO performance, while hydraulic output remains among the highest in this comparison. Loader operation feels quick, steering is precise, and rear implement control is consistently smooth. Equally important is Kubota's outstanding reputation for reliability and one of the strongest dealer networks in the industry, making ownership easier for years to come. While some competitors advertise slightly higher hitch capacities, the B2601's balance of power, hydraulics, transmission flexibility, build quality, and proven dependability ultimately makes it our favorite overall choice for 2026. Those are our picks for the 7 best subcompact tractors of 2026. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest equipment reviews. Thanks for watching.